Your videos are trash. Your videos suck. I bet he won't post for a whole nother month. Do you even get views? You suck. I haven't done this in a while. My room definitely looks cooler like this at this angle for some odd reason. Like, my room is not this cool, but it really looks like modern now. Like, I'm liking this like a lot. But anyways, so I'm back. Yeah, it's just been a lot of stuff going on, y'all. Like, so many things have happened since my last Bandcamp video. It's just like I got a new room. That's one thing. And yeah, like let's just break this all down. So starting from the old Bandcamp video, I was in an old room, the temporary room that was in traditional style room. Hated it. Like, it was so freaking bad, cause like the room environment and then like the conditions was just no. So November 3rd, I think it was November 3rd, I left from that room, went to a whole new room, which is this room right here. This is like luxury, do whatever I want to do, you know what I'm saying? Old room to the new room. Then after that, fast forward a couple months, just living life. My professor emailed me about this video editor, video recording position for, I guess, the computer science department or whatever. Really wanted to get that job. They was paying like 10 an hour. And so I stopped YouTube because I was really like getting something ready for y'all so I could just like drop it, because lately school hasn't been really working out like that. So I've been trying to school's been going pretty well, but I was like trying to get my video recording and editing skills up. So I had something that was coming out, which I'm still gonna release it because I took my time to edit that video. So that's still definitely gonna come. But I like stopped everything I was doing for this little job, and the lady wanted a sample video. And of course I could have showed her a little World Star video.
Oh, esophagus. Esophagus. S.
Sit the fuck down.
The people I was asking felt like that wasn't gonna work. So I just decided to make a whole new video, which was a process. I was doing something. Let me just show y'all. His favorite. It's cool, right? So yeah, I sent that to the lady, and then I'm thinking this video is far past what I've ever kind of done. And I'm like, I hold myself accountable for my editing skills a little bit. So like, I thought I did like something really cool and really good. But she hit me up with this email saying like, nah. Like, basically that's what she was saying. Like, I didn't get it. The video wasn't good enough. And that kind of got me like in this messed up mood. Like, it kind of like put me down in my vibes. Like, is this something I really want to do? Like, I know it's something I want to do, but if I'm not that good at it, can it be done? It is really depressing. So like, I just felt like quitting YouTube, stopping it, like, and then school's already kind of not going right, like I was saying before. But so, and then I have this video because I'm starting this new channel that's on the Hush, his new channel, and that was already edited, done. I was ready to post it, and then I kind of just, after that email, just messed me up. So anyways, I got out of that. I was like, forget about that lady. I know my editing skills is a beast. I know I have these perfect ideas, even to make this video today. So what we doing today, I'm going to go see this new movie called Black Panther that came out around like last Friday or something like that. And I know I've been seeing that a lot of people, especially on Twitter, like they've been like sneaking food in there. Like girls been trying to act like they're pregnant and get food in there by having like a fake belly or something like that. So what we're doing today, or what I'm gonna do today, get a whole lot of snacks, right? Some saran wrap. I'm gonna wrap myself with some snacks so we can sneak it inside the movie theater. Hopefully this works because I don't think you can get in trouble for doing that, especially with like a jacket or something, because it should be cold, because it's been cold here lately, so this should be foolproof. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna keep vlogging as much as I can, keep making videos either on this, my vlog channel, main channel, or this new channel I'm finna put out. So appreciate it if you still from day one, from the first video, or even the real throwback video, the Honda video. Only real ones know about that video. I'll see y'all when we go get these snacks. Alright, so we went to Target. I'm all suited up, ready for this mission. It's a lot of stuff that's been going on that's been trying to mess me up, but we're not gonna harp on that. Just know I'm getting these snacks for this mission. We're in a rush. So movie theater, what do people usually get? Yeah. I need some little bag of chips though. So why would we get big chips? So we got candy, chips.
Chips, sweet, sour.
We already have candy.
Well, I know my candy's sour. I gotta find something sweet.
Something sweet.
I want something sweet. I don't know. Where are they?
Like some chocolate?
I don't know. Something sweet.
I'm gonna have to fit all this stuff on my midsection.
If you want to be a good video, you gotta stack up.
Not little midsection. This nigga's been in the gym, so I ain't gonna even say little. Smooth little zebra cake.
Oh, that might get smushed. Zebra cake, you might get smushed. But I mean.
Oh yeah, true.
You get the cosmic brownies.
All the donut sticks.
Cosmic brownies.
I don't mess with them. Yeah, I'm actually straight. So far I got chips and I got some trolleys and I'm straight. Low key get some popcorn. What's up with you, bro?
What's up with me?
Bruh,
You put me on the YouTube
You've
channel.
been doing this the whole day.
I've been doing this the whole day.
You've been doing this the whole day, bro.
I'm about to leave the basket right here.
Can't. Oh, low key. I'm gonna get on some some muffins, little bites. Blueberry joints.
You still gotta saran wrap yourself, and it's 9:37, and it takes 25 minutes.
Different.
All right, so we got chips, trolleys. I got some Little Debbie muffins, and I think we got something else, like some Oreos. We didn't get nothing to drink. I was thinking about getting like a little Gatorade, but maybe we get something from the refrigerators. But I'll check back in with y'all when we saran wrap ourselves at the movie theaters. All right, we got the stuff. This low-key feels suspicious. I don't know why. All right, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
I'm trying. All right. Yeah. So I gotta put everything on there though.
Oh no! Honestly,
I'm gonna put the trolley. Oh, so you
probably
ready?
put something. You probably don't have to put everything. Saran wrap. You probably put some stuff like.
I need to put the trolleys and that.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Solomon, this is why we need your help, God. Why don't you just
car.
help?
Get out the car, bro. Nigga, you're gonna make us later. Help us. Cause now I'm really like second guessing all this.
Is the Rice Krispies back there?
Alright, no homo.
Straight, just do it.
Okay, so you gotta wrap it. Here's the other
Move
side.
your arm up.
I'm trying to hold this. Alright, let's do this. Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off the box. Okay.
Ah, yeah, I feel this.
We didn't have any tape.
The Rice Krispies fell off, but that's okay.
How are we gonna tape it?
Don't need tape.
It's saran wrap.
Hey, turn.
Where are you from?
Turn. I'm gonna keep it like this. It's probably enough. You think it's enough? For real? Like, this is probably enough.
Alright.
Honestly, I'm probably not gonna keep this around. And rip. You can probably.
This is gonna be the worst part.
Rice Krispies fell out. You might need to hold on to the Rice Krispies.
Y'all just hold on. Alright. Do I look normal?
Plus the jacket.
Come on, bust the jacket. Boom. I look, no, wait.
Look fat.
I look mad normal like this though.
Don't try to like.
I'm just a fat kid.
Wait. Just keep it open a little. Wait.
Like if I just walk in there like this.
You look suspicious.
Alright, Roderick.
I think you have too much down here. Try to shift something up.
I look like Santa Claus.
Honestly, if you crush
What if I just do like this? Alright, I see y'all at the movies. Good, we're in there. We got in the movies. We're gonna get in the movies. I'll talk to y'all later. Success.
I have seen gods fly. I've seen men build weapons that I couldn't even imagine.
We are home. You get to decide what kind of king you are going to be.
A few moments later.
Just got back to the room. It's super late. The movie was great. Like, if you haven't went to go see Black Panther, definitely go and see it. I'm about to go ahead and lay down, get ready for tomorrow. But thank you for watching if you did. And if you lasted this long, you're a real one. Alright, I'm coming back with the videos. Hopefully, let's just say that. May take a trip later on and next month, so be ready for that vlog. But I'll see you in the next one.